People come to us because they want a lot of color in their garden, but you know, you don't have to have flowers to get lots and lots of color. This is one of my favorite plants.
Yeah, Heuchera, or also known as coral bells, it's really all about the foliage. You know, you've got so many different kinds here, and they're each bright
pop of color, isn't it?
Yes.
And one of your favorites to use in designs as well.
Yes. In the landscape, these are great because they're neat, they're easy, they're a low mound, and they make a great foreground plant because most heucheras will only be between 12 and 18 inches, so they're a nice foreground for taller shrubs behind.
Right, and you know, they're deer resistant, aren't they, pretty much?
In most areas they are.
That's a real plus in our area. Now the leaf is gorgeous, they do flower, but the flower isn't really the main attraction.
Yeah, the star here is the foliage. There's variegated species or solid colors. You can mix them together and that gives you a lot of different color. Or you can do all one kind and that pop is really striking.
Oh, right. And look, the contrast you can get by mixing a couple of colors right here. It just pops right out. It can brighten a very dark area as well.
Absolutely.
Now, sun and shade.
They can handle a little bit of both.
Yep, great. And I use these in the florist for fresh arrangements and weddings too, so they go a long way.
Absolutely. So with all those reasons, you'll understand why Heuchera is one of our favorite plants.
And you should have a couple in your garden.
Absolutely. So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
I'm Casey Krause, your home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.